Here are a few simple ways to delete or unhide a spreadsheet in Excel. To delete a sheet, the first way is to simply right-click the Worksheet tab you want to get rid of. Click Delete, and then confirm in the dialog pop-up. The second way to delete a sheet is by using cells commands. Open the worksheet. Select the Home tab, and under the Cells Command section, click the Delete button. A drop-down list will appear. Click Delete Sheet. Confirm deletion in the dialog pop-up. To delete multiple worksheets at once, click the first Worksheet tab, then press and hold either the Control or Shift button, depending on your computer, and click the additional tabs. These sheets can now be deleted together using the same method as before. Just right-click, press Delete, and confirm. To find and delete hidden worksheet tabs, right-click on any visible worksheet tab and click Unhide. Select the hidden worksheet you want to use and click OK.